Hey, what's up guys, B here. So I am back here. It's been a while, the holidays is coming around now. Been really busy with the school, online schooling for my boys and stuff. But anyway, here we go. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Poetic Revolution case. This is going to be for the Galaxy Tab S7plus. So I do owe you a video here on this too, of me drawing on a tablet also. So we'll get to that a little bit later on in the week. Actually, let me go ahead and get this going. Give me a second. Alright everybody, I am back now. Let's get this here busted open. Poetic, gotta give a shout out to Poetic for sending this over to me. They're such a really good company. They've been working with me a lot lately with my devices. Been fairly happy. So here we go. Open up. I mean, we know what to expect with them. It's just nothing but really cool and nice tablets. Check that out. Much like the Tab. Oh, I'm sorry. Excuse me. Much like the Note 20 Ultra. Oh man, this is pretty good. Give me a second here. Alright, got that off of there. Here we go. And we already know how Poetic does it, so let's get this off. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be doing a install and uninstall. Notice lately there have been a lot of calls from some of my viewers to uninstall on some of these tabs because you want to take it off to wipe it down or something like that. And sometimes with these cases they get a little tough. Let's go around. So you're going to work your way around here. Edge. I really love the way these fit. I know at first I wasn't a real fan because I was so used to the other company. Let's see. Let's put that on. That's where your camera is going to go, where that notch is. So you line it up with the camera on the tablet. Snap that in. Yep, nice fit as usual. And then what do we have? Make sure I got this right. Speakers right there. Speaker lined up. Quad speakers, they're there. And let's pop this in. Make sure I got it lined up with the edge. Alright. Dust flap for the charging port. I'm just going to work it around. Oh, hold on, popped out a little bit. Try not to cut away here, so no matter how tough it is for me, I'm going to keep it on, keep the camera running. Let's get that out of there. It's better to get the bottom in first. The Poetic tablets. Make sure that's it. There we go. And then work your way up. Like that. There it is. That's nice. Nice snug fit. Poetic branding. And let's got your kickstand here. So you want to make sure you click that into place. Movie viewing right there. Get that around. You want to knock it down or get it down. Okay. Let's try a different level here. Hold on. So we got it like that, and let's try another angle. So we got another angle like that. And of course, I doubt it fits like this. It's a little too unstable. Anyway, so you got that view. And we got a little bit higher view here for drawing, whatever you want to draw. There we go. That's that. And then I'm trying to make this quick for you. Now let's uninstall. Let's try it here. Hold on, give me a second. So it's best to grab the corner and work it around just as you did putting it on. Actually, you know what, before I do that, give me a second here. Forgot to go over the buttons. So have the dust flap there. Again, the quad speaker holes there. And at the other end, we have the speaker holes there. Camera cutout. And let's see here. Microphone. Got the volume up and down rocker. Power button. Got a little feet here. Oh, how could I forget this? Give me a second. We have the S Pen cutout. So we all know it has a magnet, but this will hold it together even better. Look at that. Nice fit. And you got your finger hole there to pop it out. A little feet here, camera cutout. You're all set. Now let's do the uninstall on this. So let's grab one of the corners. Actually, you don't even need nails. Just kind of pull down on it and it should come out. There we go. And then work your way around. All the way around. I'm putting my finger underneath between the tablet and the base of the case. There we go. Working that out. It's coming right out. Same thing here. Get it over that corner. Pull that out. And there we go. Got a little airflow in here. Look, check that out. And with the tablets, they usually don't have the lip on either end like they do the phone. They usually have it all the way around, so you still have that protection. So there's no real gap other than the screen inside this area. So let's see. Just popping in, you know, this part here is simple. You just pop these out here. And there you go, uninstalled. Poetic Revolution for the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. I have a link in the description for these guys down below. Again, shout out to Poetic. You guys have a good night. This is V. I'm out.